Just imagine a scenario like there is a toaster, right? Okay, so inside a toaster, you can toast a bread or a biscuit or a cake or a multigrain bread. So it does not matter what you are toasting. So toaster is here a function. Toasting is a function. And what you put inside the toast is your variable. What the variable here can be bread, cake, biscuit, anything. So that is the thing that you should think about as a function. Function is basically a tool or that is going to perform a particular set of action irrespective of what variable you can give it. So the first one that we saw was print. You put anything in print, it is going to print you. Now there is something called we define. We define if we have a value, right? If you want to define a value, if you want to call the function and we want to pass the argument, like so we use something called define, multiply by 3 the value, return 3 into value. So we have created a function multiply by 3 val. So we have a simple function we have created multiply by 3. In place of 4, whatever you put, what it is going to do, it is going to run in the function. It is going to take this value that is there and it is going to return 3 into. So in that function is going to basically return a particular value. So 3 into. Similarly, what we can do is we can create a function. We can define a function multiplying of two numbers, right? You can see multiply val1 comma val2 and it is returning variable 1 into variable 2. So it is a very intuitive way to understand the power of functions. So here we are multiplying 3 and 4. So we can use a append function also. If you have to append a list, we can do that as well. Suppose a is equal to 1, 2, 3, when we can append 4 my list and we can append this particular, we have created a definition. Now suppose, yes, if we want to append 4 to a particular, we can just need to call here. With this line of code, it is going to give you an output and we can see what is A. Right? 1, 2, 3. See, I have ran 3 times. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4. So that is the way it will keep on happening if you run that particular function. So there are two things. You can print hello world. So that is the thing that you can do. There is something called as a none type and which we cannot add to any particular one. So now this is it for now. We look forward to talk to you in the next video wherein we are going to talk more about the classes and objects and how to make functions more effective, right? Because it gets more complicated if you have to add more advanced things. Thank you for watching the basics.